friendly, and everybody gets along, and it's just like a fun event where you get to see people that you don't see throughout the year, and all of a sudden they're here, and everybody just has a great time. It's fun.
So you've been doing the pumpkin chunking for several years now.
Yeah,
I mean, how much of a crowd does this thing usually attract, and what do people love about it?
Yeah, everybody seems to want to come see it. So I would say pretty much everybody that comes to the event at one time or another comes back and watches us to shoot the pumpkin.
Awesome. What's your favorite part about doing this, about seeing you guys fire pumpkins into the RV?
Just making people happy. Like, we just had some of the kids launching it. They're pulling the string to launch it, and it's just fun to see the kids and their eyes light up and they're like, wow, I've never seen that before.